Isaac, how are you doing?
Good, Greg.
Okay. What are you making today?
I'm making a goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper? You make it by yourself, right?
Yeah.
What is the biggest challenge for you today?
I broke it.
You broke it? Why
Yeah.
you broke it?
Because!
Because you nosy, you're running around
Because
and
I
then
was
you broke
like
it?
this.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Okay, can you show me how it works?
Okay. Okay.
Throw the ball.
Oh yeah. What
Yeah.
happened to you?
Throw the ball. Throw the ball. You fell. Oh, go. You got it. Okay.
Yes.
Isaac, question for you. I know you modified the program a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Because compared with
Stop
the
it.
original.
You can do that guy.
Hey,
Yeah.
Jeremy, stop, okay?
No, do that way.
Jeremy,
You just shoot at the
Jeremy,
top.
more focus.
That
Okay,
was hard.
okay, Isaac,
You got it.
question for you. I see the top is original program
Yeah.
and the bottom one, you make it by yourself.
Yeah.
Can you explain to me why it's different? I see the top is using dice, but you changing the number to 10. Why?
Because I don't know what a dice is.
Oh, dice is a random. Yeah, but 10.
But what
What's that
is
mean?
the dice for?
It's a random.
What's a random?
Random means it will pick at different times. But you figured out 10 is mean 10 seconds. You are really good. Okay.
What if I did like 100?
No, I don't think you can do it. Yeah, because there's a limitation.
Can we go up to 69?
Oh, you can. For sure you can. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Isaac. See you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Jeremy, focus your job.